Hi everyone, this is me Syed Shujathullah. So today we are discussing the March 1 to 6 current affairs of Telangana. Let us go ahead. Okay, very important for SI and Sub Inspector and Constable examination. And I wish all of you that you will be successful in your physical examination test, and hope that you all become successful and achieve your all the goals whatever you have in your life. Fine. So we are discussing. I will just bring this pen. Fine. So March 2019 Telangana current affairs from 1 to 6th March. This is 1 to 6th March. So first topic, let us discuss. Missile System Award. Missile System Award. It is given to one of our Telugu man, that is G. Satish Reddy. That's why I have mentioned this particular current affairs. Okay. The American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics have selected G. Satish Reddy. G. Satish Reddy. Okay, he was selected. G. Satish Reddy. He is at present working as the Secretary of India's Department of Defense Research and Development. India's Department of Defense Research and Development. He is working. Okay, and he is also the present chairman of DRDO. Very important point this is. You know that DRDO is there in Hyderabad only. Defense Research Development Organization or Defense Research Development Limited. Both DRDO and DRDL. They are located in Hyderabad. And G. Satish Reddy, he is the chairman of DRDO and the secretary of Department of Defense Research and Development. He has won an award. He has won an award from the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, and he was awarded with see this award. See here, Missile System Award was given to him. He is a co-winner. Means along with him, one of other person also shared this award. Both of them together have got this award. He is the first person outside USA, outside of United States of America, because this is the award given by America. So generally what happens is they US government gives award to their citizens only. He G. Satish Reddy has become the first person outside USA to have been awarded with this particular award. Okay, nearly after 4 decades. Nearly after 4 decades. Dr. Reddy, as I have told, he is sharing this award with his co-winner. The co-winner name here is here I have written Rondell J. Wilson. Rondell J. Wilson. So he was the person who is sharing the Missile System Award along with G. Satish Reddy. Okay, this is about this particular point. Okay. INDO-GERMAN Project. State Telangana Agriculture University. You know that Professor Jayashankar, Telangana State Agriculture University, which is located in Rajendra Nagar. The university has signed a project with another University of German. That University of German is Hohenheim University of Germany. So this University of Germany and our University of Telangana Agriculture University, they have came into understanding, okay, and launched this INDO-GERMAN project. Nothing but here the students and faculties will be exchanged. Students and faculties from Germany will come here, and from here also students and faculty will also go to the Hohenheim University of Germany. Okay, in order to learn more, in order to understand more important things, okay, and share the knowledge between the two universities. Sorry. The Vice Chancellor also added, the Vice Chancellor of the university also added that exchange of faculties and students for taking place as of now, thanks to the memorandum of understanding which was signed between the two universities. And they are going to work on which particular topic? They are going to work on seed science and crop patterns. Seed science. You know, the science means to know. So they what is the field that they are going to research here is regarding the seeds. They are trying to learn how the seeds behave in a humid temperature, in a high temperature, low temperature, cold temperatures. Okay, in whether it is how the seeds will behave with respect to the soils, okay, with respect to the high irrigation, low irrigation, with respect to various other abiotic factors, how the seeds generally will behave. That is called as seed science. Knowing how the seed will generally behave when it is put into different conditions, that is only called as seed science. So in this particular field, in seed science and crop patterns, our Telangana Agriculture University and the University of Germany has signed a project, okay, and we are exchanging students and faculties, okay, so that knowledge will be shared. GST revenues of Telangana, we are very happy that GST revenues we are getting every year increasing only. The tax which we are getting from the manufacturing in the form of GST, that is a part of, that is a unified indirect tax system we are having in our country. So the collections under GST are increasing. SGST I'm talking about, State Goods Service Tax, Goods and Service Tax. Telangana has continued its good run by earning 1043 crores from GST when compared to the month of February 2019. So our at present GST of Telangana state on an average will be around 1000 only, but in the year February 2019 we have collected the GST revenues to a tune of 1043 crores. Remember this point, 1043 crores GST revenues has been collected by Telangana in the February 2019, that is recently. This is the highest GST that a state would have achieved since its inception of GST system. I have written here, this is also the highest state GST component earned by the Telangana so far, okay, and when compared to the current financial year and to the last financial year, 18 to 19 financial year, we have earned around 1043, whatever I have told you just now, and in the last financial year our GST revenue was only 782 crores. See, this is I have written here, okay, so we have written here already 782 crores. Fine. The total GST earnings for the month of February is 1977 crores. Why 1977 crores? Why? Because you know that on the manufacturing, state goods and service tax is levied, nothing but imposed. Central GST is also levied, and along with that integrated GST is also levied. This integrated GST, the third one is there, no, it is actually collected by the government of India. When government accumulates it after a month or so, whatever the thing is there, they will again give to the state. So we'll get our state GST, and if at all any transfer interstate trade is there between Telangana and other state, whatever the tax is collected on this interstate trade, it is collected in the form of IGST, integrated goods and service tax, okay. Adding IGST in our SGST, the total GST whatever revenue we have got is 1977 crores. We see here I have written. Fine. So this is what we have earned, 1977 crores. Okay, it is including our GST and also including what? Integrated GST. What is IGST? As I have already told you, IGST is collected by the center, okay, on state or interstate trade or commerce over a period of time, and it was accumulated by the center and later will be given to the states subsequently. Fine. And a little bit GK with regard to GST system. GST system was introduced from July 1 in the financial year 2017 to 18, came into effect, so 2017 to 18. While the first SGST revenue, how much we have got in state goods and services when GST was first came into being, it is around only 829 crores, okay, and it has been about increasing since then, and at present we are having how much? 1043 crores. Rest of the data is not that important, okay. Why we are having a increased revenues in the GST, that is the question. So I have already mentioned here, increased GST revenues of the Telangana state is attributed to better compliance, means most of the industries are having GST number, factories, companies, they are taking it. Enforcement is proper and vigilance of the government is also very proper, okay. Deployment of technology and simplification of the procedures under GST, all of these factors All of these factors are leading toward a growth in our GST revenues. What are the factors which are responsible for what continuous increase of GST revenues in our state? Because of compliance, means the factories, the companies, or the various startups, they are properly taking the GST number. Compliance, if not, then enforcement is awesome. Then after that, vigilance, they are going and finding that whether any irregularities are there or not. Vigilance is also good. Another one is usage of technology we have done. Another one is simplification of the procedures. Okay, all of these 5 aspects are leading toward increased GST revenues of our state. Okay, and the last topic as of now is state is getting lot of revenue from mining, and our state has become a role model for other states also, that we are implementing a very standard mining policy, and whatever the procedures and rules we are following in our mining policy, the government of India wanted to incorporate. We should be very happy with this. The government of India wanted to incorporate some of our mining policy principles into national mineral policy, which is going to be implemented or which is going to be produced in the year 2019 at present, in this year. Okay, so let us see this. Telangana government has made lot of strides, means made lot of go ahead, okay, in controlling what illegal mining in the state and ramping up its revenue, means increasing up its revenue from the mining sector every year. Okay, and is playing a very important role in the preparation of national mineral policy of 2019. So as because we are very much successful with regard to this mining sector, whether with regard to increase in revenue, whether with regard to curbing the illegal activities, that's why central government has robbed in the Telangana state government to give its suggestion, so that they can prepare a similar national mineral policy, because ours is a successful things will be complicated, generally copied or replicated, right, in that way. Okay, so in future we are also going to get a national mineral policy 2019. The government regulatory mechanism helped increase, our state government regulatory mechanism is so good that it helped increase the revenues from the mining sector, which touched to 3,700 crores. Very awesome this is. Various other state governments, okay, also studied our mining policies of Telangana, and especially Punjab local body minister, okay, Navjot Singh Sidhu has expressed his desire that they are going to replicate the same model of mineral policy, whatever is there in Telangana, into their state. In this background, the Ministry of Mines invited suggestion from the public, from the state government, universities, and mining industry and industry association to come and forward they are free to give the suggestion how our mineral policy to be made and how it should be, so that it should bring an overall inclusive growth and development among the population without harming the environment. Okay, so that government wanted to have a new mineral policy. They wanted to replace the old mineral policy which was there in the year 2008. So national mineral policy already we are having in 2008. Now in the year 2019 it is open to everyone. Give suggestions, and government will take out the suggestion what is best for us, and will propose a new policy in the year 2019, that will nothing but this year. Therefore, our director of mines of Telangana, very important point. Who among the following is the director of mines of Telangana? BRV Sushil Kumar, I have mentioned here. BRV Sushil Kumar, I have mentioned here. So the director of Telangana mine at present is Sushil Kumar. Okay. Thank you so much for watching me. Please guys like, share, and also I want to mention that February 2019 monthly current affair PDF along with the practice questions are available on www.cracktgexams.com. I have given the link of that particular website, okay, in my description. You can follow, you can buy if you wish to. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead.